Want to animate your screen or objects in CapCut? In this video, I'll show you how to use keyframes. Let's get started. First, I'll show you how to make a zoom in effect. Move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to start. Select your clip and click on the Transform Keyframe button. This will track changes in scale, position, and rotation. Now, move forward in the timeline. Zoom the video using the Scale option and adjust the position so it focuses on the area you want to zoom into. Once you change something, CapCut automatically adds a new keyframe at this point. You'll now see a smooth zoom-in animation when you play the video. If you want to control how fast or slow the zoom happens, just move the keyframes. Drag them closer together to make the zoom faster. Drag them farther apart to make it slower. This is a quick way to fine-tune your timing. Now, here's a trick. Let's say you zoomed in to highlight something in your video, but now you want to return to the original size. Go to the point in the timeline where you want the video to start zooming back out. Add a new Transform keyframe there. Now, go back to the very first keyframe, the one that holds your original scale and position. Once it turns blue, press Key Control plus C to copy it. Then, move the playhead to the spot where you want the video to return to normal. Select the video clip again and press Key Control plus V to paste that original keyframe. That's it. The video now zooms back out just like it zoomed in. And that's how you use keyframes in CapCut to create smooth zoom in and zoom out effects. Like for more quick tips. Comment if you need help. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.